What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to learn how to stop receiving any calls on our phone number and also how to block all outgoing calls. So if you don't want anyone to be able to call you on a particular SIM card, and you also don't want to be able to call on that SIM card, whichever one you want, we're going to learn that in this video. So the first thing we have to do to be able to enable this on our phone, first thing you have to do is to click on this call icon. So when you click on this call icon, next thing you would have to do is to click on this hamburger like icon here, this three dot icon. So you just click on it and you head over to settings, which you have here. So when we get to settings, the next thing we'll look for is supplementary services, which we have here. So we have to click on supplementary services. So when you click on supplementary services, it will bring you here to a list of the services that are built in on your phone to be able to carry out this service. So from here you have to look for call barring on your phone, and then you click on call barring. So obviously we would want to avoid all voice calls right now. You can also do same for video calls, but for now we'll be blocking all voice calls. So you just click on voice call. So call barring is a service that actually terminates or that actually blocks any form of call, be it incoming call or outgoing call. It blocks it from getting into your phone. So if you just want to block outgoing call, maybe you don't want to use this particular SIM card to call anyone, then you can just focus on this outgoing call. So you can either block just international calls or international calls except home, but for this video I'm going to block all outgoing calls. So in this case I won't be able to call anybody at all with this SIM card. So if I toggle on, it's going to request for a password, and the default password is 0000. So you just click on OK, and after a little bit of time, it's going to get activated. Okay, so as you can see, it's been activated right now for outgoing calls. So this means that I won't be able to call anyone with this particular SIM card right now. While if I want to stop all incoming calls, I don't want someone to be able to call me. So if they dial my number, it's not going to go through. What I just need to do, I'll have to click on this toggle icon for incoming calls. If I want to block all calls, I'll just have to put same password, the default password 0000, and I click on OK. So with this, it's just going to process for some time, and you see activated. So right now I won't be able to get any calls on this line, on this particular phone number. So some persons actually do this for the purpose of privacy. Maybe you just want to use a SIM to access the internet and you don't want to get any calls from here, then you just have to do this to maintain your privacy, you understand? So I want to believe this video actually helps us, and if you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe. And if you want to get notified about more content I create later, please do it to hit on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.